and repeat after me.
I, Ferdinand Topacio,
Having been appointed as the National Deputy Spokesperson
National Deputy Spokesperson
of the Partido Democrático Filipino,
of the Partido Democrático Filipino,
do solemnly swear.
do solemnly swear.
In my message, actually, I wanted to make today regarding certain appointment in the party. And I would like to, so that we are, as I said, we are preparing to reorganize. Kita ninyo, mga bata pa, kulang pa sa sukat, kailangan, kulang pa sa edad, no? And we have already started the org para magkaroon tayo ng bagong approach. We are appointing an executive director that will carry the members of the party, and that is si Joy Encabo. Joy Encabo was with us. He was part of the Duterte campaign team during the not only the last election, but way back. So he's bringing a lot of experience.
Joy to PDP!
And is to ensure advancing yung ating principles and advocacies and programs of the party. So para sa ganun, pang-araw-araw, meron tayong tao na nagsusulong. Aside from the ladies, because itong partidong ito, tumatakbo ito, powered by the ladies. Kaya sila makakulan na isang
Joyce Angels!
Let's welcome Joy Encabo.
Inaanyayahan ko po sa harapan ng ating PDP Chairman, Alfonso Alcusi, para sa oath taking proper para kay Attorney Ferdinand.
Well, actually, it's an honor to
Wapo yan, oh.
the oath of Attorney Topacio. Ito siya, nag-oath na ito noon pa before he assumed his work. Nagpo na kami nito, sabi in private, no? But of course, to officially take his oath and officially welcome him. And while he has been doing his work more than as a deputy, siya na mismo lahat ang gumagawa. We're going to have this taking. It's an honor, my
Thank you, Chairman. Pero maigi na yung deputy na lang, may spokesman, si Atty. Lambino, para pag pumalpak, may maituturo ako.
Okay. So,
Sabihin ko, yun ang sabi ni Atty. Lambino, sabihin ko eh.
so kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me.
I, Ferdinand Topacio,
Having been appointed as the National Deputy Spokesperson
National Deputy Spokesperson
of the Partido Democrático Filipino,
of the Partido Democrático Filipino,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
to abide by and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines
and of the party,
and of the party,
to keep faith and put into practice
to keep faith and put into practice
the five basic principles of PDP
the 5 basic principles of PDP
and the basic objective of federalism.
and the basic objective of federalism,
Perform my duties to the best of my abilities
to perform my duties to the best of my abilities
and capabilities
and capabilities
without fear or favor,
without fear or favor,
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
with the aim in view of furthering the objectives of the party
and advancing the interests of community
and advancing the interests of the community
to which it is dedicated,
to which it is dedicated,
and to conduct myself in a manner
and to conduct myself in a manner
befitting a good and true PDP,
befitting a good and true PDP,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
so as to bring honor and prestige to the party,
and that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
And that I take this pledge without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Buhay si Atty. Ignacio!
Ito, hindi naguhubad ng pin, hindi naguhubad ng uniform eh. Huwag pa nun, kita ninyo, siya pa nagbibigay sa atin.
Tutusok daw yan, attorney.
Siya pa nagbibigay sa atin.
Parang sa pulis.
Ito na, para
Chairman.
it's an honor to be leading his
Siyempre. Senator yan.
picture taking tayo dito.
Kayo muna kayo. Kayo muna dalawa. Kayo muna solo muna. Okay, picture.
Photo officers.
Alis na.
Napapakatok sa lupa eh.
Okay, picture.
Actually yan.
Para pag ginugumanong ko, magkatako eh.
Okay, picture. 5-4-3-2-1. Okay. Harap po sa kaliwa. Banda dito para lahat nakatingin. Thank you.
Ito. Ito naman.
Kanan. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Salamat po. Thank you, Lydia. Salamat.
Oath-taking ng ating mga members from the United Kingdom. Captain Raymar, Kaibigan nandito na, Atty. Tupaso, Joy Cabo, Raul Lambino. Witness muna kayo ng ating mga members from UK. Dito ka, sir? Ayan, okay. Right hand ang left hand ang kamay. Solo ka mamaya, iba yung sa'yo. Mamaya ka, may programa pa tayo. Okay.
Hindi ka kay Donald Trump. Finish your membership seminar and you accept our ideologies and principles and now you're ready to take your oath of panunumpa sa partido. So please raise your right hand. Ako si na tinanggap bilang kasapi ng Partido Demokratiko Pilipino
Tinanggap bilang kasapi ng Partido Demokratiko Pilipino
ay sumusumpa na
ay sumusumpa na
tataguyod ko ang saligang batas ng partido
tataguyod ko ang saligang batas ng partido
na kung saan nakalahad ang aking paniniwala
kung saan nakalahan ang aking paniniwala
at paninindigan para sa kalayaan,
at paninindigan para sa kalayaan,
pagkakaisa,
pagkakaisa,
katarungan,
katarungan,
pagkakapantay-pantay,
pagkakapantay-pantay,
at panunagutang panlipunan
at pananagulang panlipunan
sa dinlang
sa kasilahan,
mabisang pagkilos,
mabisang pagkilos,
pagkamakabayan at federalismo.
pagkakabayan at federalismo.
Susundin ko ang aking mga alituntunin
Susundin ko ang aking mga alituntunin
at patakarang ipatutupad ng mga kinauulang pamunuan ng partido.
at patakarang ipatutupad ng mga kinaukulang pamumunuan ng partido.
Itataguyod ko at makikiisa
Tataguyod ko at makikisa
sa mga pagkilos ng partido.
sa mga pagkilos ng partido.
Iaalay ko ang aking sarili
Iaalay ko ang aking sarili
sa masalimuot ngunit kinakailangang tungkulin
sa masalimuot ngunit kinakailangan
para sa ikauunlad ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino at sa kalayaan ng bayan.
para sa ikaunlad ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino at sa kalayaan ng bayan.
Lahat ng ito ay aking tinatanggap ng kusang loob at walang pasubali.
Lahat ng ito ay aking tinatanggap ng kusang loob at walang pasubali.
Kasihanawa ako ng may kabal.
Kasihanawa ako ng may kapal.
Congratulations!
Yay! Congratulations! And yan, we will expand the membership of PDP in UK.